Wow, Bitcoin hampir break 100,000 guys. 100,000 USD. Almost so close. Literally so close. 99.4. $600 lagi. I think I don't want to jinx it, tapi aku harap lah. I really want to see it break soon, right? Sebab ada dua scenario. Either scenario A, the market just goes crazy and everything starts to pump, atau scenario B, it could be a massive trap untuk retail traders breakout macam ni, semua orang enter long sini and then we come back down, right? And this could be a massive bull trap. Trap all the bulls, liquidate them, right? Before we continue up higher. So that could be a scenario to keep an eye on. Okay, sebab sekarang the market is extremely greedy, extreme greed. Bybit is showing that the market sentiment right now is 86 extreme greed. By the way, kalau belum ada account Bybit, link di bawah. But generally, look at this. The market is green, tapi semua bubble kecil, right? The bubbles are quite small. Not a lot of altcoins have actually moved. I think the biggest is OP. Dan I have a few setups for you guys based on OP, based on OP. Sebab OP sudah gerak, but a lot of altcoins belum mula bergerak lagi. So there's still a huge opportunity for you guys to get into some trades. Okay. Liquidation levels, quite scary. 100k, we have about 1 billion liquidations at 100k, which is very, very close. So kalau Bitcoin berjaya break sini, I think it will be very easy to squeeze up to about 100k, 101k maybe, wick up, and then we have to see kalau dia dapat maintain above 100k. Sebab 100k ni is a very strong psychological level. There's a lot of liquidity sitting around there. We need to close above it and maintain above 100k. Kalau tak, we might have a trap and come back down. So keep an eye on that. Those are two scenarios. By the way, siapa yang follow trade dari video Bila, video 2 hari lepas, right? I gave you guys 3 trades. A, B and C. Trade A jalan dengan sangat-sangat cantik. I think right now we are at almost 2-1 RR. So tahniah guys, if you manage to catch this trade. The guys in the academy telah dapat bukan ini saja, tapi we got a massive trade on Ethereum, massive trade on MOG as well. So a few things I want you guys to keep in mind is that when the market jadi sangat-sangat greedy, sangat euphoric macam ni, this is when we should be getting a little bit cautious, right? Yes, we should take advantage of the market that is moving like this, tapi you need to keep in the back of your mind, don't get too greedy. Okay, don't get too greedy. You kena tahu what is your conviction on, what are you confident on, double down on that, tapi jangan melebih-lebih. Okay, so know what your conviction is and stick to your plan. Okay, sebab sometimes bila market sangat happy macam ni, there's a lot of FOMO, a lot of greed going on. Anda pun mungkin enter terlalu banyak, over leverage, beli terlalu banyak coin, whatever it may be, and then you regret it. So keep in the back of your mind to stick to the plan. Alright. Funding rates mula menjadi panas sedikit. Bila funding rate jadi panas macam ni, that's usually when we need to cool down a little bit. The last time we had funding rates this hot was March 2024. You can see around here, this is when Bitcoin was moving up, and funding rate jadi sangat-sangat panas. We had to cool down. Okay, but saya rasa kita sekarang dalam fasa sinilah, right? It looks like December is when we really started moving and we broke out, right? So it looks similar to this, yeah. So about 15 December, about 16.25. Right now we're about 18. Okay, so getting a little bit hot, so be cautious for a cool down. Dan soalan yang sering tertanya sekarang ialah Bitcoin naik, tapi like I said just now, kebanyakan altcoin belum naik lagi. Why is that? Well, the main reason is because Bitcoin dominance is still in this massive trend line. Someone in the academy brought this to my attention. We're still in this massive trend line. We have not broken down yet, but currently we're meeting the top of this range. Tambahan lagi ada basically a supply zone lah dekat atas ni, which is like a resistance. So when Bitcoin starts to break down, we can look at where it will break down to. So this should be quite straightforward. If we reject here, break out of this range, we're looking at 48 and possibly down to 40. I don't know, saya tak tahu kalau kita boleh break ke bawah 40 lah, sebab Bitcoin for this cycle will be quite strong with the ETF, Wall Street getting into Bitcoin. So we might remain quite strong on Bitcoin dominance, or it might go down very, very slowly. Okay, that's just my 2 cents. But you never know, right? The market can get super crazy during a bull run. Okay, but for now, yes, we are entering a point of where we should start to retrace. Okay, start to pull back. And when this starts to pull back, this is a weekly chart, yeah. When this starts to go down, that's when alt season will begin. So saya ada sesuatu thread di Twitter yang agak menarik for you guys by Axel Bitblaze. So Bitcoin hampiri 100k mark, tapi portfolio masih flat or down. Maksudnya anda belum buat profit yang kau-kau, tapi Bitcoin naik. So what's the issue? What's happening here? Okay, the first thing is Bitcoin dominance masih membuat higher high yang baru setiap minggu. It's still going on, right? It's still going up, going up, going up. Bitcoin is still extremely strong, dominating the crypto market cap. Okay, so you need to know this. Bitcoin 4-year cycle history. If you want to make money in crypto, understand this one thing. Pre-halving year, tahun sebelum halving, contoh 2015, 2019, 2023, last year, you should hold Bitcoin and USD, right? Because Bitcoin will be going up. Okay, so diversify a little bit, hold Bitcoin, hold a bit of USD. During the halving year, contoh 2020, 2024, that's when you want to long Bitcoin, short USD, right? Basically, take your USD, put it into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin will be going crazy. It will lead the charge, right? It will keep going up. Bitcoin dominance will keep going up, like what we are seeing pada masa sekarang. Okay. Okay. And then post halving year 2021 and 2025, which is next year, that's when you want to long altcoins and short USD. Basically, move your money from Bitcoin, put it into altcoins, because that's when the altcoins will start to go crazy in the post halving year. Maksudnya tahun depan. For now, we are still in the halving year. Okay, so this is based on his data. Alright, dan ada lagi, there's a few more things that he highlighted. Contoh altcoin market cap, ada golden cross. So altcoin market cap just had its first golden cross in 2 years. The last time this happened, altcoin market cap pump almost 300% dalam setahun. Okay, so currently altcoin market cap, which means semua nilai the total altcoin market ialah 1.2 trillion. Kalau kita pump 300%, that will mean we go up to about 5 trillion. Okay, 5 trillion. So imagine the pump when this happens. Your altcoin bags will go to the moon. So sekarang kita masih di 1.2 trillion. Okay, we can take a look at the chart here. Kita pergi total 3. So total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? So right now we just broke out of this, right? We just broke out of this, but we have not broken the previous high here yet. And if we're looking at 5 trillion, masih jauh, geng, masih jauh, right? Whew, all the way here. Okay, quite far lah, quite far. All right. Total crypto market cap. Okay, exchange listings, meme coins. Meme coins bring one thing to the ecosystem, which is retail. So maksudnya sekarang the exchange, Binance, Bybit, you guys can see Bybit kemarin baru saja list Cool Guy, which was a meme that became that was quite viral. Jap, saya cari ya. This one. Cool Guy. Sorry, chill guy meme. Chill guy meme. Anjing ni ya. So meme ni saya baru nampak less than a week. Baru beberapa hari dan dia dah jadi sebuah meme coin. Dia dah dapat listing di Bybit. Perpetual futures listing. Right, so when we see these meme coins being listed on the exchanges, this means that the exchanges are bringing in the retail traders. Sebab retail traders tertarik dengan meme coin. Okay. So for alt season, retail liquidity diperlukan. And now big exchanges are bringing that in. In the past few weeks, Binance and Coinbase have listed 7 to 8 meme coins and they're planning to list even more in the future. Okay. What's even more interesting is that the newly listed meme coins are consistently generating more volume than major altcoins. So you can see that the money is flowing into these meme coins. Right. Okay. Donald Trump dia telah beli sebuah crypto exchange. Very bullish news also. And altcoin volume is going up. So altcoin weekly volume telah cecah 300 billion untuk kali pertama semenjak 2021. Right, so there is a lot of money flowing into the altcoins, but it has not gone crazy yet. Okay, so untuk orang yang rasa dia dah terlambat, you're not too late yet. Okay, too long didn't read. BTC dominance is still going up. Total volume is going up. Altcoin volume is going up. Altcoin volume dominance is going up. This only means one thing: alts will soon start to outperform as liquidity has started to flow into them. Alright, liquidity is slowly moving into altcoins. So it's projected that next year will be the big year for altcoins. Okay, take a look at this. Last cycle's coins all-time high valuation. XRP, ADA, Dodge, Dot, Link, XE, SHIB. Right, this was the previous previous cycle all-time high. This cycle, coin valuations, Pepe with Popcat Monk, we're still super low, guys. We're still so low. Pepe belum overtake Shiba lagi. Right? We're not even halfway. There. Okay? So, I want to remind you guys that this will be a meme coin cycle. Meme coin the next strongest narrative probably tech, like AI or RWA, right? Maybe not RWA lah, sebab RWA susah nak dapat certification and all that. But I think AI definitely a very, very strong narrative after altcoins. Altcoins will be the dominator in this cycle. Okay, so macam saya janji, I have some setups for you guys. So this setup is based on OP. So OP currently pumping very hard. So what we do is we look at what is similar to OP, and I have listed something for you guys. Where is it? OP, I have TIA, right? TIA, we have been accumulating very long within this range. Okay, very, very long. Right, we are currently even below this 786 level. So if I were to long this, you can even set your stop loss here, tapi ini agak jauh. I will just put it right here. And we are targeting, if possible, a new high. Right, so this is on a 2-day chart. Okay, so this would be a very, very large swing trade. If this kena stop loss, right? If this kena stop loss, then the next level I would look for is to enter below this, right? Below this range lah. Okay, below this range. So two possible setups for TIA. Number one, boleh enter sekarang. Number two is if we get that bull trap yang saya cakap tadi di Bitcoin. Yeah, remember this. Possible bull trap, meaning kita break. Whoops. Meaning kita break 100k, but we fail to maintain above it, and then we just come back down, liquidate everybody, zap. I think there's a lot of liquidity around here. Mungkin tak sampai sini lah, right? We just liquidate everybody until about, I don't know, 80k, and then we continue up. right, to the peak. Yeah, if you take a look at the previous bull run, we did have a retracement here, small retracement here, big one here, right? So we do have a few retracements, yeah. So it's not always up. Akan ada masa yang dia kena pull back, right? So yes, take advantage of the market, but expect a pullback at any time. Okay, dan bila market pullback, jangan anggap itu ialah, don't think that is the end of the world yet. There will be another opportunity to enter, like Tia. So for now, yes, this is a valid entry. If we break out of this range, we can get a good pump to the upside. Tapi kalau kita break out, but then Bitcoin dumps or whatever, then we come back down, look for another entry down here. Right, this may be a better opportunity to buy low. Okay, so ini untuk Tia. Right, ini untuk Tia. Another one is APT. Just broke out of this resistance, currently retesting dalam zone 0.38, 0.5. This may be a good level to take a long from. So I would take a long from here. Stop loss I can letak 786 around here, and I will see if we can break this high, right? So something like that. Alright, so dua trade untuk you guys. Trade at your own risk. This is not financial advice. Kalau guys nak belajar lebih mendalam, nak dapatkan lebih banyak trade idea, nak join community yang mempunyai goals yang sama seperti anda dalam bull run ini, you guys can click the link below. Join the academy. We have 1,462 members, guys. Let's get it to 2,000 as soon as we can. Let's try and help as many people make money in this bull market. Right, so make sure you guys join. The link is below. Jumpa anda di video seterusnya.